guys, welcome to AOE. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about singing bowls. A friend of mine recently bought one and was unsure how to use it, and I thought that's too easy, I can make a little video about that. So I have my little singing bowl here, and this is just my take on it. Everyone probably does things different, but so I hold it in the palm of my hand on the flat there, like that, and then tap on it, and then just run around the rim, if it works, like that. There we go, getting there. And then when I've got it running like that, I'll walk around the house, go from room to room, say my little prayer, which is negativity that invades my sacred space. I banish you away with the light of my grace. You have no hold, no power here, for I stand and face you with no fear. Be gone forever. This I will say. This is my sacred space, and you will obey. And I usually do that after I've gone around and smudged my house. It just helps to raise the vibration and make it feel nice and light and clear. It's awesome. I love it. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day.